Garlic Press Rocker, a simple yet innovative tool that makes crushing garlic a breeze. The unique arc design and comfortable handle make squeezing effortless, perfect for any grip size, even for those with weaker hands. With just a gentle back and forth rocking motion, you can crush or mince garlic in half the time. Crafted from 100% premium stainless steel and high-quality silicone, this garlic press is rust-proof, durable, and built to last. Rotary Cheese Grater, a versatile kitchen gadget designed to make food prep a breeze. With 3 interchangeable blades, this grater handles cheese, vegetables, nuts, crackers, and even mashed potatoes effortlessly. Just turn the handle and freshly shredded cheese is ready in seconds, saving you time and effort. Designed with a strong suction base, it stays securely in place on clean, smooth surfaces, giving you a hassle-free grating experience. Assembly is simple. Snap the handle into place and you're ready to go. Safe and stable for worry-free food prep. Make food preparation more fun by getting the whole family involved. It's fast, easy, and safe. This is the one-button operated milk frother that creates rich, creamy froth in seconds. Simply press to start and press again to stop. This is a rechargeable milk frother with a built-in 1200 mAh lithium battery, meaning no more frequent battery changes. Charge it for 3 hours and enjoy 2 to 3 months of frothing. This is a powerful frother with a high-speed turbo engine that whips up smooth, velvety foam in just 15 seconds, making your morning coffee or matcha latte effortless. This is a compact, stylish, and versatile frother that's perfect for lattes, milkshakes, and even mixing protein supplements into your drinks. Zule Silicone Utensil Rest, designed to keep your counters splatter-free and your cooking stress-free. With raised edges to catch every drip, this spoon rest ensures your kitchen stays clean, even during the messiest cooking sessions. Featuring 4 spacious slots, you can park your spoons, spatulas, and tongs in one convenient spot. Perfect for multitasking in the kitchen. Cleanup is a breeze. Simply toss it in the dishwasher for a quick and easy refresh. Rechargeable electric salt and pepper grinder set, a perfect blend of style and functionality. With just a touch of a button, you can effortlessly grind salt, pepper, or spices. The LED light ensures precision, so you always get the right amount of seasoning. Tired of replacing batteries? This grinder set is rechargeable and comes with 2 USB charging ports and cables, making it efficient and eco-friendly. Whether you prefer fine or coarse spices, the adjustable 6-level coarseness gives you perfect control. Twist clockwise for finer results or counterclockwise for a coarser grind. Whether you're cooking or serving, these grinders are your go-to tools for perfectly seasoned meals every time. Revolution R180S, the world's first connected toaster, blending style, speed, and smart technology. This 2-slice toaster is designed to give you a smarter breakfast experience. With its InstaGLO 2.0 heating system, the R180S delivers perfectly toasted bread. Crispy outside, soft inside, without the weight. It comes with 6 preset bread types and smart algorithms that handle everything from fresh to frozen. Not just a toaster, it's Wi-Fi connected, offering auto clock settings, weather updates, and over-the-air updates. Plus, its large touchscreen gives you full control over 3 toasting modes and 7 shade settings. Pair it with the optional Toasty Press for grilled cheese or paninis. Wrapped in brushed stainless steel, the R180S adds a sleek, modern look to any kitchen. The Revolution R180S isn't just about making toast. It's about upgrading your morning routine. Meet your ultimate kitchen companion. A pair of versatile, heavy-duty kitchen shears made from premium stainless steel for precision and durability. Tackle every task effortlessly, from slicing chicken and fish to cutting herbs and veggies. Plus, the seafood scissors make shelling shrimp and crab mess-free and easy. Designed with your comfort in mind, the ergonomic non-slip handles fit perfectly for both right and left-handed users. As seen on TV, this makes the perfect gift for mom, dad, or any cooking enthusiast. A must-have for every kitchen. Peeling just got a whole lot easier. With ultra-sharp dual stainless steel blades, this vegetable peeler ensures smooth, effortless peeling every time. Need to fix blemishes on fruits and veggies? The built-in blemish remover gets the job done with precision. Save time and reduce waste. The peeler removes just the right amount of skin, leaving more of your precious produce intact. With smooth glide technology, this peeler won't clog with peels, and cleanup is as simple as tossing it in the dishwasher. Lightweight, ergonomic, and designed for efficiency, this vegetable peeler is a must-have kitchen tool. Make peeling easier and more enjoyable. Effortlessly open cans with the electric can opener. Powered by 4 AA batteries, it smoothly opens cans with minimal effort, making meal prep a breeze. Simply press the button to start. This electric can opener cuts cleanly along the side, leaving smooth, rounded edges, then press again to stop. Looking for the perfect gift? This practical and versatile opener is ideal for anyone in the kitchen, especially those who appreciate convenience. The blade's design reduces food contact, preventing spills and leaving smooth edges, so you can open cans without any mess. Ergonomically designed, it's easy to use, making it ideal for the elderly or anyone with limited hand strength, ensuring strain-free operation. Keep your sink area dry and organized with this upgraded silicone sink splash guard. Measuring 14.25 by 5.35 inches for full faucet protection. Its enhanced 5-degree slope design ensures quick water drainage, preventing puddles and water spots from forming around your faucet. Made from 100% silicone, it's soft, durable, and reusable. No more scratching utensils or dealing with soggy fabric mats. Add a touch of elegance to your kitchen with its sleek grey design, all while keeping your space dry and clutter-free. Upgrade your kitchen today.